So good morning once again and welcome back to one more video of my channel Ishika Banerjee. And in this channel I make videos regarding biology. Today we will be discussing the syllabus of class 10 CBSE 2022-2023 batch. Okay, the science syllabus we will be discussing. I have made videos of the ICSE syllabus also. You can go through that. Okay. So for the first topic, please understand and mark whatever I am writing. Please write it properly because a few things are changed. I have made a written form of this for you people. So please write this whatever I am writing. Okay. First chapter, that is chapter number 1. Is it visible properly? Okay. So the first chapter, that is chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is Chemical Reactions and Equations. Chemical Reactions and Equations. In this chapter, students, there is only the part called corrosion and rancidity is not there. Corrosion and rancidity. This part is not there. Rest all the parts are there. I will be writing like this way, okay? If you have any problem, you can tell me. Chapter number 2, that is acid, bases and salts. Acid, bases and salts. Here no reduction. Please mark with me or write with me. Chapter number 3, that is metals and non-metals. Here also no reduction. Clear? Next, chapter number 4 is carbon and its compound. Carbon and its compound. Here also no reduction. Everything you have to study. Clear? Chapter number 5. Periodic classification. This chapter completely, here this chapter completely, writing here, completely reduced. This chapter is not there, so completely cut off. Okay, completely cut off. 6, chapter number 6. So chapter number 6 we will be doing is life processes, biology. Okay, life process. I will be doing this chapter. Here also no reduction. 7, chapter number 7, control and coordination. Control and coordination. Here also students no reduction. Okay, is it visible? Okay, is it visible properly? Okay. Chapter number 8, that is reproduction. In this chapter also, here you have got no reduction. Here also no reduction. Okay. Chapter 9. Clear? In chapter number 9, you have to see, let me just check here. So chapter number 9 that you have to do is heredity chapter. Here students, evolution part is not there. Evolution part is not there. Probably page 148. This part is not there. Rest everything is there. Clear? I am writing it here now. Visible? Yeah? Wait, just wait 1 minute. Okay. So that is chapter number 10. Okay, is it visible? Okay, chapter number 10 we have reflection and refraction. Reflection and refraction. Students, here derivation is not there. Here derivation is not there. Chapter number 11, that is human eye and colorful world. Colorful world. Here the parts that are not there I am writing here. Okay, the parts which are not there. Number 1, that is color change of sun at sunrise. Color change of sun at sunrise and sunset is not in your syllabus. Rest all are there. 12. Okay. Chapter number 12, that is electricity. Electricity. Here no reduction. 13. Chapter number 13, that is magnetic effect of current. Magnetic effect of current. Okay, here the things which are not there are electric motor. Okay, electric motor, EMI, generator. These things are not there in your syllabus. Chapter number 14, okay, is source of current, source of energy, sorry, not current. This chapter is completely not there in your syllabus. And the last chapter, that is chapter number 15, our environment. Our environment, no reduction. Okay, this is your syllabus. Clear? This is your syllabus. Just revising once more for you people. First, understand that in the chapter number 1, chemical reaction and equation, corrosion and rancidity part is not there. Okay, only this part is not there. So cut this part, and rest all are there. Chapter number 2, students, acid, bases and salt, no reduction. Everything you have to study. Part number 3, chapter number 3, metals and non-metals, no reduction. Chapter 4, carbon and its compound, no reduction. Chapter number 5, that is periodic classification, completely cut off. Please cut it like this way. This chapter is completely cut off. Understand? Chapter number 6, light processes, everything. This is biology chapter, everything is there. Chapter number 7, that is culture and coordination, no reduction is there. Chapter number 8 also no reduction is there. Heredity part, just remember, this evolution part, that is page 148, is not there in your syllabus. Next, chapter number 10, here reflection and refraction, everything is there, only the derivation portion is not there. Okay, only the derivation portion is not there. Chapter number 11, colorful world. See, color changes of the sun in sunset and sunrise is not there, and rest all are there. Chapter number 12, that is electricity, no reduction. Chapter number 13, that is magnetism, electric motor is not there, EMI is not there, and generator is not there. Chapter number 14, completely not there in your syllabus, that is source of current. Cut it properly. Chapter number 15, our environment, completely there in your syllabus. So 15 chapters, among that 2 chapters are completely cut off, that is periodic classification and second is source of current. These 2 are completely cut off, and rest these like full are there. There are few things which are cut off in other 2 chapters completely not there. One is periodic classification, second is magnetic effect of current. So this is your syllabus of science for the students of CBSE 2022-2023 batch. Please take a screenshot of this. Very nicely I have explained to you the whole syllabus. Okay, I will be teaching this also properly to you. Don't worry about that. Let me see how much I can cover. Thank you so much. Ending this video here, hoping that you have understood what is there in your syllabus for this year of examination. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. and share this to the one who actually need this. Thank you so much. Meet you all with a fresh new video the very next day. Thank you so much.